Hello, Tricia. Here's question 4 from the questions that you sent me. So when you're calculating a confidence interval, what I've done is I've written over here the z-scores for the different confidence intervals. So I'll go through the first question, and then I'll let you do the second and third questions, part B and C. So the thing that's going to be different for each of these is going to be which of those z-scores you use. These are all z-scores here, okay? So if I walk you through part A, I think you can probably follow the same steps and do part B and C the same way. The only thing that's changing is your z-score. So for a 95% confidence interval, we're using a z-score of 1.96. So that means that mu is going to be in between x bar plus your z-score times s over root n, or x bar minus your z-score times s over root n, like this, okay? And when we're looking for our values here, our x bar is 101, minus, because this is a 95% confidence interval, our z-score is 1.96, our standard deviation is 29, and our n is 43, so we're going to do root 43 like that. And then we're going to do 101 plus 1.96 times 29 over the root of 43, like that. And then we're going to work that out, and we'll end up with our confidence interval, okay? So I'm going to let you work out the calculations on that, and the only thing that will be different for part B and part C on this question will be that in part B, you're going to use the 90% confidence interval z-score, so you're going to use 1.645. And for part C, you're going to use a 99%, and so you're going to use 2.576 for your z-score there. Otherwise, it's exactly the same format and the same formula all the way through.